What's the meaning of airy? Airy. 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 Airy.
The word airy is an adjective that describes something as having a light or delicate quality, often implying a sense of openness or spaciousness. When used to describe a physical space, such as a room or building, it suggests that the area is well ventilated and has a pleasant atmosphere. For example, a room with high ceilings and large windows might be described as airy. Similarly, when used to describe a person's manners or character, it can suggest a carefree or light-hearted disposition. Overall, airy conveys a sense of freshness and lightness that can be both physical and metaphorical.